The Dutch oven is an indispensable piece of cookware in any kitchen, and for good reason. There are many products available to choose Dutch ovens, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Dutch ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lodge 6-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven. This porcelain enameled cast iron Dutch oven from Lodge comes in a variety of exterior colors, with a cream-colored interior for excellent visibility, similar to many higher-end versions. Due to the double layer of enamel coating inside and out, this can be used for marinating, cooking, storing, and serving. In addition to the colorful enamel, the modern design gives you wider handles, which make it easier to grip when you have oven mitts on. The pot is oven safe to 500 degrees for baking or broiling and holds 6 quarts, making it one of the larger capacity Dutch ovens. We found the tight-fitting lid helped retain moisture during cooking. It can be used on any cooktop, including gas, electric, or induction, but it shouldn't be used on outdoor grills or over campfires. Number 2. Le Creuset enameled cast iron signature round Dutch oven. This Le Creuset pot is an all-time favorite, but, like all of its cookware, comes with a steep price point. At 5.5 quarts, it's big enough to prepare most dishes, but not so large that it is too difficult to move. The interior has a light-colored enamel coating so you can cook anything in it, and it can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. The knob is either metal or a composite material that's safe to 500 degrees. Plus, our tests further confirmed its excellent performance. On the stove, chicken thighs browned evenly and released easily, and food that spent a bit of time in the oven didn't stick either. But it's good to note that this is a common occurrence with enameled cast iron, and typically doesn't impact its performance. Cleaning this Dutch oven by hand is easy, but it is also dishwasher safe. Number 3. Lodge cast iron serving pot cast iron double Dutch oven. This raw cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned to give you a head start on getting a perfectly non-stick pot. But that's not the best part. The lid of this Dutch oven doubles as a skillet with 2 side handles, so you get 2 pots in one for an incredibly low price. You'll be able to simmer your soup in the pot and make cornbread in the skillet at the same time. During testing, we found the skillet also worked wonderfully to do double batches at once, like when browning meat. Once we did an extra round of seasoning, even cinnamon rolls came right out without leaving a crumb behind. At super high temperatures, the seasoning can burn off, but it won't hurt the cookware. You would just need to season it again. Number 4. Crock-Pot artisan round enameled cast iron Dutch oven. For a budget pick, this 5-quart model by Crock-Pot performs well above its modest price point. The cast iron build gives the oven heft so it doesn't move on the stovetop and also offers even heat distribution and retention. The lid's texture gives it a self-basting feature, allowing condensation to collect and redistribute itself over whatever is cooking so it doesn't dry out. Oversized handles make it easy to grab with pot holders on, and the metal knob and Dutch oven are oven safe to 500 degrees. It was hard to find any major flaws with this oven. Like many enameled versions, using a metal utensil may leave scratches on the inner enamel, and you'll have to be careful not to crack the outer coating with rough handling. Number 5. Camp Chef Classic Dutch Oven. Heading for the great outdoors. This camp-style uncoated cast iron Dutch oven will help you cook up anything your nature-loving heart desires. It's designed with feet to raise it over hot coals, plus you can place coals atop the flat, tight-fitting lid for even heating inside. Best of all, this arrives pre-seasoned, so you can pack it for your trip as soon as it arrives, but the coating will improve with additional seasoning and use. This holds 6 quarts, which is perfect for solo camping trips or cooking for small groups. It's a truly versatile piece of cookware. You can also flip the lid over to use it as a skillet or griddle. It might work on a gas cooktop, depending on your stove grades, but it is not recommended for an electric or induction cooktop. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.